I see this path and I could not. I did stop filming, but I see this path and I must. It looks so beautiful. So let's have a quick walk down here. I know it runs along the edge of the golf course. This path. It does look stunning in this light. It really does, the forest. Some lovely colours now. And you can hear them taking their shot. Golfers in the distance. Yep. And that path goes all the way down. I'm going to walk just to the end here. And there's a view you can see over the, if I remember rightly, there's a view you can see over the golf course, which is pretty stunning if I remember rightly. I hope the stabilisation is working okay, because I'm bouncing up and down here quite badly, and as it's in 4K I'm not sure if it's still good, but let's hope so. Some beautiful images. Golf course coming into view now, and it's a beautiful sunny day now. Then the clouds earlier have gone, and wow, we can see everything now. Some great. Look at that, guys, come on. So it's overlooking the golf course, and towards Chingford. And then further on, Woodford in the very foreground. Yeah, it's the sun now. Sun, directly in the sun here. Guys, just practicing. I'm going to go down there where the dog walker is. I'm going to cut along. So this guy's going in the direction of play that way. So yes, I'm out of the way. I'm going to look over now. And there we are. Hopefully I won't get a ball on my head. Walking across the golf course now, directly into the sun. Strikes the ball. Some lovely views from up there as well. We'll come there another day further up. Do get some good views here. This golf course is really well kept, so I'm actually got to be a bit careful here because this is direction of play, and it looks like he's going to take a hit now, so I'm going to be very quick. Oh, shit, this is, oh, pardon my French, this is probably the worst time to actually that's alright, it's miles away. You just hit that miles away into the right there, nowhere near the green, into the mini forest over there. So, but I don't think he's happy. I'm happy because I was a bit worried I was going to get a ball to the head then, but I'm glad he missed. And he was nowhere near the green, unfortunately. Bless him. But there you go. reverse the golf balls and the players now. In the meantime, we can still get some stunning views in this golf course. It's very peaceful. Spin round. There is a path here, but I'm not on it and I'm not sure where it is, so I'm going to have to play this by ear. Ditch here, I don't want to fall down. Okay. Right, I've rushed across here, you know. There's another guy who's gonna take a shot, I think, here. Wind's picking up massively. And I'm a bit stucky, you know. I'm in 2 games. I've got it all coming at all angles here, guys. Wait, guys are taking this shot. Guys are taking the shot, so I'm going to walk this way because they're near the green. And these guys are just kicking off now. Let's go around here and then we can hit the bridle path again. There's more and more golfers arriving. Beautiful day for it. Now all the clouds have gone completely. And the more the sun is out and it hits those leaves, them oak tree leaves, we're going to see some amazing colours soon. Wow, there's a lot of golfers arrived. A lot. And I'm going to just going to hit the bridle path. Let's wait for this guy to take his shot. Oh, he didn't get it in the green. That was a bit limp, mate. Never mind. More practice needed there, fella. Not that I'm an expert or anything. Okay. Getting back onto there. That other shot was good. That was right near the hole. Look. Anyway, let's go back on, out the way of these golfers, and back onto the bridle path. Over the ditch. This is a little bit difficult, this, because I'm short. There it is. On that. And let's get in the colours here. Yep, I'm going to end it here, guys. It's a wonderful walk, number 2, organic walk number 2, from Chingford Station, North Chingford, Queen Elizabeth Hunting Lodge, and then up to Pole Hill via the bridle path alongside Chingford Golf Course. I'll leave it there with you guys. Thanks for joining. Bye.